How to discard kimono. Gift or present. The purpose of a present is to be received, and to convey the giver's feelings of affection. A gift accomplishes these two things at the very moment it's given. Thank it for the joy it gave you when you first received it, and discard it. Cosmetic samples. These products are smaller sized and consequently have shorter shelf lives. You don't want to use expired cosmetics when you're traveling. Trash them. Get reusable travel-sized bottles instead. Electronic packaging. Many people save boxes in this category thinking it will make the electronic more valuable if they want to sell it one day. But if you think of your home as storage space that costs money to maintain, do you think having the box for that electronic will recoup all the money you paid in the years you let it take up space? I hope this gives more clarity and direction on how to declutter the kimono category. Thanks for watching. See you in the next clip.